iMovie is the first video editing app we will be talking about. It is a video editing software application developed by Apple. Its features include options to modify and enhance video color settings, crop and rotate video clips, stabilize shaky videos, add video transitions, and change the speed of clips. iMovie is a great video editor for those who are looking for casual video editing apps. It has a variety of options and an easy interface for beginners to start on their journey. However, this app won't do too well for more advanced users.
The second video editing app we will be talking about is Filmmaker Pro. Filmmaker Pro is the perfect free video editor and movie video maker for both professionals and beginners. It has the most useful video editing features that other top pro video editors and slideshow maker apps have, but in a more convenient and professional way to edit and display. These features are extremely easy to use and include animated stickers, graphics, labels, and the option to draw anything you would like to include in your video. It also has many audio features including music, sound effects, extracting parts from audios, voiceovers, and the add to text feature. In addition, you also have the option of importing various sorts of media and also text.
The third editing app we will be talking about is called Quik, which is the official video editing app from GoPro. But it's made for all kinds of users who want to edit their footage on the go. As soon as you capture the perfect shot, you can either upload footage from your GoPro device to the cloud or transfer footage from any device to your phone. The Quik app is worth it because no other video editing app is as mobile for handling GoPro footage and incorporating smartphone or any DSLR shots you may have on your phone. Some reasons for why it is in the top 5 editing apps is because it allows you to create a private content feed, has auto-generated highlight videos, it works with everything on a phone's camera roll, there's cloud storage included, like we said before, it has powerful yet simple editing tools that give you manual control in a multi-selection timeline, allows you to sync clips, transitions and effects to the beat of your music or GoPro music, and it lets you take ultimate control of video speed, super slow, fast or freeze at multiple segments in a clip. It also has a free download, and the price is amazing. For just $2 a month or $10 a year, you get unlimited storage with GoPro's cloud service that you can keep adding to or editing at videos and reels from your various social media channels. Overall, the app provides the quickest way to edit, for it has a built-in automatic editor that processes the video users select. Adobe Premiere Rush is a mobile and desktop video editing app used to show creativity like a pro. This is an amazing video editing tool that allows users to shoot, create and edit excellent and attractive videos on mobile and desktop. This app is great because anyone can download it and use the beginner-friendly tool software on Windows, Mac, iOS and Android platforms to be popular in his or her field by showcasing their creative abilities. Adobe Premiere Rush offers fast video editing by adding different voices, sounds, titles, music and stickers to any video. You can also use it for motion graphics and audio mixing tasks. The app is a free mobile and desktop video editing app for creativity on the go. Wherever you are, from your phone to your computer, you can shoot, edit and share high-quality videos. Fun and as fast as social media, it's the easiest way to start in your followers' feeds. The video app sports a nice, clean interface with very simple editing features. A snappy clipper that's perfect for making short videos for social media. Rush is available on desktop and mobile devices, so you don't even need the best video editing computer to cut captivating clips. Premiere Rush is included for free with Premiere Pro, and you can use both programs to cut together video files, create transitions, and add music and audio to projects. They both have functionalities to add and customize graphics, create titles from templates, and perform color correction on your movie. Adobe Rush is simply.
Lastly, we will talk about KineMaster. KineMaster is the best video editor and video maker for mobile videographers with powerful video editing features. Just a few taps to add all sorts of effects. Music. Videos. Images. And text. All this allows to make amazing videos fast. This app is the right choice for video editors, music video makers, vlog editors, slideshow makers, and video collage makers. It has advanced video editing tools including keyframe animation, chroma key, green screen, speed control, slow motion and time lapse, reverse video, remove background, and more.